Cooking apa?
So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 little fish. What can we do with 3 little fish? Appa is going to show you how to make a very yummy fish soup using 3 small fish. Yeah, don't look down on little fishes. I also have some tofu here. You can use any tofu that you have. Some ginger and also white portion of spring onion. Of course, you need some hot water. First thing first, we are going to fry the fish. So give it some oil. Once the oil is heated up, we can then put in the fish. I marinated the fish with a little bit of fine salt. Yeah? Let's pan fry the fish until it is charred. This is after about first 3 minutes. Let's flip it over. I'm going to give the other side another 3 minutes at least. Like I said earlier, I want to char the fish a little bit more because that is going to bring extra flavor. Not burn, it's char. This is after second 3 minutes. Right, as you can see from here, I'm getting some char. So what's the next step after you get the char? I'm going to break the fish. These 3 fish here is, I bought it from the wet market for about 10 ringgit. Some of you, for those who ask me what type of fish is more suitable, I will prefer to use white meat fish for this purpose. Break it. Break them into pieces. Everything, break it down. And maintain high heat. Hot water, you must use hot water, okay? And let's bring this to a boil. But meanwhile, I'm going to put in a few pieces of ginger and a few pieces of spring onion, the white portion of it. So once it is boiling, we shall let it boil for at least about 5 minutes, yeah? Are you seeing what I'm looking at right now? See how milky it is? I did not add any evaporated milk. It's already very, very milky because of what I did just now. Yeah, you fry the fish and you crush the fish and you boil everything up with hot water. This is what you're going to get milky fish soup easily at home within few minutes, and it doesn't cost you much. All right. So the next step, this is only 5 minutes. Yeah, by the way. So right after this, next thing, I'm going to push this aside. Put in another wok together with the sieve, and then I'm going to sift through the bones and everything else. Yeah, see, you're going to sift through it. You can press it. See how milky this is. All right, then I quickly wash this wok, put in the milky fish soup. 5 minutes. This is only 5 minutes with 3 little fish, which cost me only 10 ringgit. And now I'm going to put in some veggie. I decided to add some veggie at the end. Yeah, this is cabbage, and then some tofu to give it extra protein. This is already a protein soup because it's fish broth. Now you know how restaurants make milky soup, even without the need of using evaporated milk. This is after another 5 minutes. You can see the veggie has already softened. It's basically done. I just want to add in some seasoning. Few dashes of premium Vietnamese fish sauce, some fine salt, some fried ginger and ginger oil. You can put garlic or shallot, fried garlic or fried shallot. Few dashes of white pepper. Done. Oh, no, I still have some greens to garnish it. Done. Our milky fish soup is ready in total 10 minutes. Actually, 5 minutes is good enough, but because I wanted the veggie. Alright, see how simple it is to make milky fish soup at home with very, very little money. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.